Stand with your feet shoulder width distance apart, and really good kind of nice posture. So standing up really tall, imagining that you're being pulled up by that string from the top of your head. Knees are slightly bent, and then just moving your hands into a position where you press the palms down to the ground. So if you just watch me now, I'm pressing my palms down. There's tension in my arms, and also there's tension in my wrists because I'm actually pulling the hands up this way, okay? And also spreading the fingers as wide apart as possible. So if you're doing all of that, pressing down with the heels of the hands, lifting the wrists up, spreading the fingers, tensing the arms, you should feel lots of tension down the yin side, down your yin channels of your arm. So that's the position for this, okay? So what you're going to do is just breathing normally, as I said. So you're just going to press down, tense the arms, keep the arms close to the body, not out here or out here, close in towards the body. Palms facing down, fingers facing each other towards the inside. And then what you're going to do is, as you're pressing down, just tense in the ankles, straighten the knees, tense in the thighs, tense in the buttocks, in the abdomen, in the chest, pressing the shoulders down and just pushing down as hard as you can, and try and hold it for 10 seconds. So create as much tension, constantly pulling up in the hands, pulling the palms upwards, pushing the heels of the hands down, tensing in the arms, tensing through the ankles, right up through the legs, into the buttocks, into the chest, right down the arms. And then to relax at the end of the 10 seconds, you just let everything go. So you're going to bend the knees and just relaxing like a rag doll. So relaxing now. And then again, just as you're relaxing, count to 10. And already you should be, even after this first time, you should be observing some interesting sensations in the hands and the arms.